Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More, and I am in Denver International Airport. So our next step will be Barnwell, South Carolina at the Government Training Institute. Alright guys, so you can see here is the little quad camp thing. Basically, this is where everybody brings their quads to fix, to work on. There's Josh Bardwell right there. There's Stingy right there. Tommy's right there. Hey Tommy. Concludes Rotor Riot Rampage. I didn't have much time to fly because I was here for my sponsor HobbyMate, showing off the product, but I got to meet a lot of people. Everybody at Rotor Riot, thank you so very much.